TraderStation Review 2025 Overview Pros and Cons Minimum Deposit Futures Margin. You won't believe how trading platforms have evolved in 2025. TraderStation offers equities, options, and futures trading with advanced tools, but is it right for you? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for advanced traders. TraderStation supports beginners and pros alike, providing customizable charts, real-time data, and automated trading strategies. One major advantage is low-cost trading. You won't believe what happens next when you see competitive commissions on stocks and ETFs, plus flexible futures margins tailored to account size. The platform also supports complex option spreads, algorithmic trading, and backtesting features. Minimum deposit requirements are reasonable for standard accounts, but futures and margin trading require higher balances. The app and desktop versions are robust, offering mobile access without sacrificing analytical tools. However, there are cons. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, and some advanced features may overwhelm casual users. Customer support may have delays during peak trading periods, and fees apply for certain data packages and premium services. In conclusion, TraderStation in 2025 is ideal for active traders seeking flexibility, advanced tools, and low-cost execution. While beginners may face a learning curve, the platform's depth, reliability, and variety of markets make it a strong choice for serious investors looking to trade stocks, options, and futures effectively.